This is how to choose the most fresh flowers. When you're looking for flowers, it's so easy to get overwhelmed by all the gorgeous blooms that you come across, and you might get really honed in on the focal point of the bloom. But you may miss some key items that you should look for. If there's a little bit of aging on the outer edges of the bloom itself, that's fine. That's normal, that's natural. You can easily take those off. But what you really need to look for is if the inside of the bloom itself looks like it may be discolored, it's probably rotting. That bacteria is gonna shorten the lifespan of that arrangement. If you're choosing florals that are longer of length, you may immediately get drawn to the top of them. Think stock or freesia. Those blooms may have not bloomed, so you think, oh, this is great. Well, you need to look at the bottom of them because that's where the discoloring will happen first. And if there's only one or two, totally fine, pick it off. But if you start seeing a bunch of it on the bottom, again, it's gonna create bacteria within the arrangement.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.